Hi guys! We'll be talking about Swagbucks. I will share 7 ways to earn money on this website. And isa na dyan is by playing games. Take my word, Swagbucks is very legit. No cash in needed and no referral needed rin. I will also share some tips, tricks, and hidden features throughout the video. So make sure not to miss any important information. Find the hidden keyword in this video and you may receive free 50 pesos GCash. Just follow these 3 easy steps. Swagbucks.com. So sign up muna tayo on your phone or PC, open Chrome and then type swagbucks.com or just click the link on the description box para ma-direct kayo sa sign up page. After that, click join today. You can sign up with Google, Apple, or Facebook. Or you can just type your email and then create your password. Click lang natin tong agree to all and then click start earning. So our first way of earning on Swagbucks is answering surveys. Sa baba, we can see that 100 SB is equal to $1. So take note of that going forward. By answering surveys, we can earn up to 200 SB or $2 per survey. To start earning, verify muna natin yung email natin. If verified, we will receive 5 SB. Click this one right here, answer a survey. Before we can get access sa mas malalaking rewards, we should take the first survey which is about our personal information. Click go now. Then this checkbox and continue. 5 SB lang ang makukuha mo sa first survey na to. But after that, malalaki na yung reward. After the first survey, we can now access these one. They will update this every hour, so you can get fresh and new ones. Second way of earning on this site is survey profile. You will be given 2 SB per 10 questions. Madali lang itong sagutan and you can finish the 10 questions in just 10 to 20 seconds. And unlimited ito sa unlimited din yung 2 SB na makukuha mo. Third way of earning is the daily bonus. Every day, you just have to earn a certain amount of SB to get bonus SB. Just click this button at the top right portion and then click activate. So here, goal 1 is to get 30 SB para may makuha tayong additional 3 SB. Goal 2 is to get 75 SB to get additional 2 SB. Every day itong magre-reset, and if you get 7 days streak of getting at least 1 goal, you will get 25 bonus SB. Fourth way of earning is simply search using their search engine. So kahit anong gusto mong i-search, you can just type it here on their search box. Try natin searching weather forecast. So ayan, instant 1 SB agad. But based on my experience dito sa site na to, the SB we can earn just by searching is up to 14 SB. Fifth way of earning here is cashback when you do online shopping. Click lang natin tong shop and then shop home. So these are the brands to choose from. And if you buy from these brands, then my specific percent cashback kang makukuha. The cashback is from 1% up to 16%. Kung bibili ka online, open mo lang tong Swagbucks and then punta ka dito sa shop pages nila. Sixth way of earning is installing apps and playing games, which for me is the most fun among the 6 methods. So just click discover and then discover home. To see all the games you can choose, scroll down and then click view all right beside offers from our trusted partners. We can see that they have 8 trusted partners that pay us SB points when we play their games, either using PC or phone, both Android or iPhone. Let's have a quick review on some of these, kung ano ang in-offer nila, and let's try one game to see how it works. Here on AdGate Media, mostly games yung ino-offer nila. And currently, the highest earning game is Smash Party, which can give you 855 SB or $8.5. If you click this game, you will know how to download the game and how to earn SB, so make sure to read this. Sa Peanut Labs naman, you can earn by just registering to websites, installing apps, playing games, or purchasing something. So marami kang pagpipilian dito, and the SB you can earn will vary based on difficulty. Lastly, Dito naman sa Offer Toro, they offer mostly games and apps. So for example, let's play this Scratch Magic on our Android phone. Just click this game, and para mabibigyan tayo ng SB, just make sure to follow these instructions. To earn 439 SB, you need to install and open the app on your phone and scratch 251 cards. To download, we can either scan this QR code or input our email address para i-email nila sa atin yung link. On your mobile phone, open your Gmail and then find the link they sent and then install the app. Play the game until you scratch 251 cards. Si Swagbucks naman, may free exclusive offers sila which they update every now and then. And today, itong Mafia City ang available and you can earn 500 SB of $5 just by completing Mansion level 25. Here are the other games Swagbucks exclusively offer. 7 and the last way of earning is to add the Swagbutton. You will be notified when available games and surveys are offered, so you won't miss any of them. You will also get notified when you are on a site with sales and coupons. Find the link for Swagbutton on the description box below. If makakaipon ka na ng 500 SB, you can get $5 from Amazon. But I recommend yung sa PayPal to get $10 para mapunta yan sa GCash mo. Aside from Amazon and PayPal, meron ring Payoneer at Steam. So ayun na guys, if you want to get notified of new apps and websites where you can earn part-time or full-time, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Salamat sa panonood and God bless sa journey mo.